So here's how to change themes on Shopify store. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Shopify account. Then here you have to go to your dashboard. Once you are in your dashboard, now here you have to simply scroll down and go to the online store option, and then you have to click on the themes. Once you click on the themes, now it will take you to this page where you will be able to view a lot of free themes. From here you can simply install any theme that you want to add on your Shopify store. To install these themes, you have to simply click on the add option. Once you click on the add option, now your new theme will be ready to install on your Shopify store. After that, here you have to simply click on the customize option to customize your new theme. Here you can simply upload your any products and make changes on the theme. To make changes on the theme, you have to select the elements from the left menu, and after that you can edit it as required. Once you have made all the changes to the theme, now you have to simply click on the publish option at the top right corner. So that's how to change theme on Shopify store.